Hello all, in this video we will be discussing about the resolution of forces. To resolve a force means to divide a force into its two mutually perpendicular or non-perpendicular components. In this video we will be discussing about mutually perpendicular resolution of forces. Consider a force F which is making an angle theta x with respect to x-axis and theta y with respect to y-axis. To resolve this, you will get two components. Along x, we can form a triangle like this. This is your f. This can be considered as fx, while this is your fy. Right? Now, we completed this parallelogram or this rectangle. The magnitude this line has is fx will be same as fx, and here you will have fy. We know the angle as theta x, so the component of f along x will be f cos theta x, and the component of f along y will be f sin theta y by your basic geometric rule, where you know sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse and cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, right? So this is your adjacent side and this is your hypotenuse side. So adjacent upon hypotenuse is your cos theta and opposite upon hypotenuse is your sin theta. Now if the angle is given with respect to y-axis, which is your theta y, then your sin fx component will be f sin theta y and fy component will be f cos theta y. The axis with respect to which the angle is given, the component will be cos and other component will be sin. That is how you determine the components, the magnitude of the components. And while discussing the direction, if the force is acting away from the point, its components will also be acting away from the point. If the force is acting on the point, its components will also be acting on the point. Now, when you look at the directions, we consider upward acting forces as positive and towards left acting forces as positive. Upward acting forces as positive and towards right acting forces as positive. This is our sign convention that we have considered throughout the 4 units of engineering mechanics. So this is an important topic. Please remember this. Thank you.